Yo, YouTube, how's it going, guys? In today's video, you're gonna learn how I saved $100 on my order using a GRUBHUB promo code that I found for new and existing users. Now, this is my second time redeeming a GRUBHUB code, and I was able to do this right from my phone and save some money on an expensive steak dinner for me and my girl. Now, I'll explain some more of the details here shortly, so keep watching this video if you're interested in learning how I did it. Alright, here's the promotion that I applied for $100 off. I added 3 things to my bag. Here's what I have in my checkout. I added a ribeye steak and lobster meal, Cajun prawn pasta, and a side salad that was originally going to cost me $127, but after applying the GRUBHUB discount code, I'm going to get both for only $27.15, and that's with the $8 driver tip. Now, as you can see right here, the promo code is supplied by Feel the Deals. That's where I found it, and they're giving me 100 credit towards my order. The promo code should work fine as long as Feel the Deals keeps their promotion running. I wanted to make sure this worked for any item, so before I recorded the video, I added a bunch of other items to the checkout, and the GRUBHUB coupon worked for each item and applied to them all. Now, you can check out the description of this video for more information on how to go about doing this. I'll drop the full YouTube video tutorial there so you can go watch it step by step. And all that's needed for this, guys, is obviously an iPhone or an Android, and make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection. But yeah, Feel the Deals is a coupon page, but it's a different one. It's not like the ones that you see on Google where they only give you a few dollars, or it only works if you're a new user. It won't cost you anything. It'll just be a little bit of your time, probably 5 to 10 minutes out of your day, but it's worth it when you're saving 100 on your purchase. So yeah, just check out the description for the full tutorial. All you'll want to do is follow along. It should be pretty easy. I was able to get the process done pretty fast earlier when I did it the first time. I literally just typed in the brand that I wanted in the search bar, clicked on it. It had some little details about GRUBHUB and some savings tips, but then I just scrolled on down to the coupons and deals section to reveal the discount. And then I pressed the show code button, and it had these little hashes, meaning that the code was locked, but it's completely fine. I was able to unlock it, and I showed that through the steps in my tutorial. The process is super simple. It's just some sponsor apps. They want help with their app ratings, which in turn gets them better rankings in the Google Play Store or App Store. And because of doing this, it boosts their apps so more people find them, and they potentially earn more through their in-app purchases, and that's how they're able to give these discounts out. So it's literally that easy, doesn't take too long, and they give you a completely working GRUBHUB promo code. But yeah, after those sponsor apps are completed, the promo code will be available, and the promo code only works once. The code that you see in this video can't be redeemed again since I'm going to be using it, but basically after unlocking a code, just go ahead, copy it, use it on GRUBHUB, and redeem it for a credit of $100. And this can be done more than just one time, but the process has to be done doing different sponsor apps. If the same ones are done over and over, it won't register with Feel the Deals. But trust me, there are plenty to choose from. It's literally just some game tutorials that are hosted by a third party. I was able to get them done within 10 minutes, so the process doesn't take long at all, and they reward you with the gift card in the end. So anyway, if you check out the description below, you can watch the full YouTube video on where I found it. It'll show you step by step on how I went about doing this. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.